Welcome back into the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. We will explore and delve deep into the book of meme coin today, because since its inception, it of course had a massive pump. It corrected, but since, the recent upheaval and kind of small pullback we have seen in the crypto markets, well, actually, BOME is looking like it is starting to consolidate within a healthy looking uptrend, almost like an ascending channel. Now, I've spotted a bit of a cup and handle pattern. Probably means nothing, but we could actually see more upside here for BOME. $953 million market cap, guys. That's not a lot for a major meme coin. It did hit 1.46 billion. They're doing a lot of token burning. A lot of people out there also think this coin can hit 5 cents and maybe even remove that zero right there. But overall, I think this is an exciting one, and we should still look at it even after its launch. Yes, it has corrected, but it doesn't mean it's a failed project or anything like that. Obviously, it's got a lot of accessibility from a consumer point of view. Retailers can buy it on Binance and other big exchanges. Now, if we look at this, we can see it has a market cap of 965 million. The volume on the 24 hours is down quite a bit, I would say, but it's not a terrible thing. Now, can book of meme hit $0.05? That is one of the questions. Well, CoinCodex, a prominent cryptocurrency data and analysis platform, predicts BOME will hit 0.06 by the end of April. Of course, that is subjective, but this is all speculation around the Bitcoin halving event that has the potential to ripple and, of course, produce massive waves in the cryptocurrency markets. Now, if we see this happen, we might see shib go up, pepe go up, and in turn, BOME could also go up. And you can see since it actually hit that rock bottom over here at 0.009, it's done almost a 2x. It has been trading now sideways for a total of 16 almost days, which doesn't really feel like that much, to be honest. But when we actually kind of look at what's going on over here for BOME, you can see that there is a bit of a cup and handle shape kind of forming. You've got that cup here, you've got the handle on the right hand side, and as long as we cannot break the 0.017, we might even get a bullish reversal up to 0.0196 or something like that. Of course, we could still see 0.015 happen, which is kind of crap if it does, but that is a support threshold. Now, if you're new to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel, do subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals and dreams this 2024 and stay up to date with all the hottest stuff and stay in the know. But yeah, we can see today, it looks like unfortunately BOME is losing this support, but it doesn't mean we'll see a full-on drop down. There is still upside potential for this coin. If we move to the daily time frame, things are starting to look good. We had a red candle. We're seeing that second green candle. Previously, it went green, 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 red, green, red, red, red. We had 3 green consecutive candles before this red one, so we could still see some green candles form, but of course the selling wick on this particular green candle is looking quite strong compared to the others, even though that actually had a huge one. So anything can happen, and it just takes the meme market to go wild once again for this particular coin to, of course, pick up some pace and continue with its parabolia. So I do predict that 0.02 is a realistic price target for this coin, and if we were to really look long term for BOME, then you're looking at these higher fib levels. The 2618 is that 0.06 price mark. The 1618 fib is that 0.041 price mark. So these are all numbers that could potentially, and in theory, happen, especially if it does a 5x, right? So this is the Twitter for book of meme right now. They're growing 141.4k followers, definitely growing more and more, up a good few thousand since last time we looked at it. You can also see some data and numbers for Book of Meme. They're actually burning tokens. Solana BOME cumulative burn tokens, you can see another 25.8 million Solana BOME tokens have been burnt. They're also doing community events. And look, this is just from literally a week ago. They're already at 25 million tokens burned within the space of a week. You could assume maybe 100 million per month, and that would, I guess, be like 10 million plus per year on Solana, which I guess, looking at the overall supply here, so 100 million plus per year, we're looking at 727, 199 million. There's 55.199 billion. So it would take 10 years, of course, at this current rate on the Solana side to burn 1 billion. And in 50 years, therefore, you'd only see 5 billion tokens burnt, which isn't really a significant thing to help combat with inflation and token dilution, but it's something to also think about and consider in the future. But there may be many, many more ways that this token gets burned, and I could just be looking at a very, very small thing here. Overall, feeling like it's definitely a good one now. They've rolled out some merchandise to help with that brand awareness, which is pretty cool. Got some hats, some BOME hats, and you can see as well over here, look, Mr. Ribbit sold for 2.69 ETH, that's $9,000 via the Emblem Vault. So that's kind of a cool looking NFT right there, Mr. Ribbit NFT. Damn, I really like that. It's just a cool bit of art. Also, just like they're posting just some hilarious kind of memes. What does it even say? I'm something of a squiggle myself. So yeah, they're obviously putting some candles out there. Some bullish things could be happening for BOME very, very soon. And I think with coins like this, they don't really have to try too hard. They're big already. They're already on bigger exchanges, platforms. They just rely really on a few good calls, a few good articles, and the overall sentiment of the market at any given time. Which right now, we're not in an uptrend. Well, we are in an overall macro uptrend, but in the week, on the 24 hours, things are still kind of like trying to find their feet. Some coins are rebounding nicely, but overall, we are still in a state of like, what's going to happen next. Lots of investors are feeling fear, a bit shaken out, a bit worried about what might happen next as well in the market. So that's, of course, deflecting any big pumps right now for a lot of major coins. But this could be an opportunity for dollar cost averaging. BOME is down. A lot of coins are down right now. And what I always like to do is just go here, hit that 7-day button, and find coins that are down 20, 30, 40%. And these could be coins like Optimism, Singularity Net, Aptos, Phantom. These are coins. Or Say for example, it's down right now. Wow, look at that. I mean, if you caught the 0.68, that would have been nice. So just find the coins of utility, the coins that you like, and find the ones that are on discount. Now, Dogecoin 20, guys, 16 days, 22 hours until this launches, and we'll be live on International Doge Day. This has 10 to 100,000x potential, and you could make some massive gains, some absolutely humongous parabolic gains with Dogecoin 20. Not financial advice, but you can connect your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you want to do and grab some of these Doge 20 coins. You can convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into Doge 20, and this is effectively the new Dogecoin on the Ethereum mainnet, and what they're doing is mitigating the existing inflation with Dogecoin 20 because it has trillions of tokens. Dogecoin 20 only has 140 billion tokens. So this is something very important. Of course, big community, 13,000 Twitter followers already. And this will be launching in literally just 16 days, guys. So 16 days to get in to what could be the next huge 10 to 100,000x potential. I was going to say 1 million x there. I mean, I've only seen a couple 1 million x's in my time here. So I don't think it's going to be a 1 million x. But, crazy things can happen in these markets, guys. So Dogecoin 20, link is down below. Do some research, due diligence, and just check if it's a coin that you like. If you are a meme coiner, maybe you want to diversify your portfolio a bit, because if you have 20 coins and you kind of spread your liquidity across, surely a few of them are going to do a very good thing. Maybe a couple will do 10, 20x. Maybe a couple will do not 10, 20x. Maybe a few will do 3, 4x. Maybe some will even go down and you get negative ROI. But as long as you get 15 good ones and maybe 2 bad ones and then 3, amazing ones, that diversification is kind of what you want. You want some good gains here, you want a few gains here, a few gains here. You might have some losses here, but overall, you want on average to be up, right? So taking different angles in the market can be a good thing. Now, Bitcoin halving, 16 days, 21 hours to go. This could create another massive wave for Bitcoin, crypto, and overall just everything blockchain. And I think we're personally preparing for that, consolidating at this $2.5 trillion valuation in the markets right now. So overall, looking good. Let's sit tight, see what's going to happen. And guys, I just want to say, if you did join my Discord channel, Jacob's Crypto Clan, recently did an early call on a coin called Credify. Got you guys in at $0.025. The price went to 0.045, then it went to 0.054, and you can of course see this guy right here, thanking me for what happened. He said, I already sold the initial investment, riding on the profit. So he's now running free profits. If you do want to get into some big opportunities and just overall be part of one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency communities that exist today, 26,000 members. We do trading signals, as you can see. I've got everything here, pre-sales, trading signals, straight to dexes, early calls. There's everything that you could need as a crypto man, woman, whatever you identify as. here, please do feel very welcome to join. You can join at any level. It is also free as well, and there are plenty of people that just come here for the free content too. But just come say hi, don't be shy, hang out, make some friends in the crypto space, and we're all there to talk to. We've got some incredible moderators as well, and hopefully see you again very soon, guys. That's my crypto Discord down below, and of course, thank you again for tuning into another 99 Bitcoins video. Let's see what happens with BOME. I think it's a good one to be looking at potentially. Subscribe and like if you are new here, and hopefully see you very, very soon. Bye for now, and stay crypto safe.